Bonjour tout le monde! Hello everybody et bienvenue! Welcome to French with Mr. Innes. Today we're going to learn all about a very special cake and why it's still technically Christmas. Stay tuned to find out more. Delicious. Oui, bonjour tout le monde! Hello everybody et bienvenue! Welcome to this very special video all about la galette des rois. And if you enjoy it, please make sure to give the video a like and check out the free lesson plan that you can have sent straight to your inbox by clicking on the first link in the description below. But let's kick off today's video with our fun French fact of the day. On the 12th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 12 drummers drumming.
Whoa, Mr. Innes, why are you singing that? It is no longer Christmas.
Well, technically it is. Actually, do you remember our Christmas story video? That was embarrassing. Ooh la la. We learnt that the first day of Christmas is the 25th of December, but the 12th day of Christmas is the 6th of January. The 12th day of Christmas, or the 6th of January, is known as l'Épiphanie, the Epiphany, and that's the day when the Rois Mages, the three wise men or three kings, arrived to give baby Jesus their gifts.
Très intéressant.
It is interesting, and in fact the French have been celebrating l'Épiphanie on the 6th of January for the past 700 years by eating a king's cake. And so that's what we're going to be learning about and eating today in our Ooh La La Vocab. So yesterday I went off to my local supermarché, supermarket, to buy a king's cake made of frangipane, almonds, butter, eggs and sugar. Very tasty. So this is how you say king's cake in French. Can you répéter? Repeat 6 fois, 6 times. La galette des rois. 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 Now inside La galette des rois is a charm, which is like a special figurine, and the person who gets this charm in their piece of cake gets to be the king or the queen for the day. Now to avoid cheating, the youngest person goes underneath the table and calls the name of the person who should be served the next slice of galette.
You are younger than me.
Oh, so that means I need to go under the table. Okay. Okay, can you serve me first, please?
1 slice for you.
And then you can serve yourself as well.
1 slice for me. I hope I have the charm. And what about Suki?
No, don't give anything to Suki.
Too late, I am afraid.
No, she might choke on the charm. What are you doing? Hey, Monsieur Claude Dubois. So this is how you say the charm in French. Répétez. La fève. La fève. La fève. La fève. La fève. La fève. What a delicious looking cake. Well, let's see who gets the charm and therefore who gets to wear the crown. Oh, so tasty. But no charm.
I have the charm, I have the charm.
No way.
Look, it's a little Asterix. Yay, I get to be king.
Mommy. So this is how you say the crown in French. Répétez. La couronne. La couronne. La couronne. La couronne. La couronne. La couronne. I can't believe you got the charm. All hail le roi, King Monsieur Claude Dubois.
I never thought. Oh, this is why France does not have kings.
So this is how you say the king in French. Répétez. Le roi. Le roi. Le roi. Le roi. Le roi. Le roi.
I could lend you the crown so you can be my queen.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it will be so funny.
Okay. Yay! So this is how you say the queen in French. Répétez. La reine. La reine. La reine. La reine. La reine. La reine. And now it's time to play Which One's Missing? As per usual, we'll have six rounds of Which One's Missing, and I'll help you with the first trois. So first up, we have la galette des rois, la fève, la couronne, et le roi. Which one's missing? Magnifique if you said la couronne. Next up, we have la galette des rois, la fève, la reine, et le roi. Which one's missing? Super if you said le roi. Next up, we have la galette des rois, la fève, la reine et la couronne. Which one's missing? Bravo if you said la galette des rois. Next up, and you guys are on your own. Which one's missing? Super if you said la fève. Next up. Which one's missing? Magnifique if you said la reine. And the last one. Which one's missing? Bravo, très bien, fantastique et merveilleux if you said la galette des rois. And now it's time for our Sensational Sentences.
Sensational sentences, sensational sentences, sensational sentences, sensational sentences.
Now today's Sensational Sentences is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to show you six sentences and I want you guys to try and figure out what they mean. So, allons-y. Je mange la galette des rois. Je mange la galette des rois. Yeah, I'm eating the king's cake. J'ai trouvé la fève. J'ai trouvé la fève. Yeah, I found the charm. Je porte la couronne. Je porte la couronne. Yeah, I'm wearing the crown. Nous sommes le roi et la reine. Nous sommes le roi et la reine. We are the king and the queen. La reine mange de la galette des rois. La reine mange de la galette des rois. Yeah, the queen is eating king's cake. Le roi porte la couronne. Le roi porte la couronne. Yeah, the king is wearing the crown. Now let's move on to today's Song of the Day. Today's Song of the Day is by Michel Briant and it's called La Galette des Rois. So it's a fun, jingly video that overviews quite a lot of what we've learnt in today's video. And you can find a link to it in the description below. And let's finish up today's video with our
challenge time.
Today, we're going to challenge you guys to make a poster with some of today's Ooh La La vocab.
It could look something like this. La galette des rois. La fève. La couronne, le roi, la reine. And you can tweet or X your challenge responses to @French Mr. Innes, and I cannot wait to see how you get on. So, bon courage. Well, that's everything for this special French with Mr. Innes video on La Galette des Rois. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a like and check out the free lesson plan that comes with the video by clicking on the first link in the description below. But in the meantime, can you say à bientôt et au revoir? I look so beautiful. I never thought. It's not going to stay on, is it? Woohoo! I'm the queen! I'm the queen! I'm the queen!